cannot see inside the body, the skin often provides the first obvious marks of a passing time and aging. It is a known fact that as we age, our skin becomes less resilient, resulting in dry skin and wrinkles. Today's video will discuss how to make homemade eye cream with 4 healing ingredients. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. 4 ingredients. First ingredient is shea butter. It's both moisturizing and very hydrating. When applied to the skin, it provides immediate softness and smoothness. But in addition, one study indicates that shea butter boosts collagen production, demonstrating some major anti-aging potential. Next is coconut oil, which is great for the skin, including around the eyes. Research revealed that virgin coconut oil improves the symptoms of skin disorders by moisturizing and soothing the skin. It also protects the skin by enhancing skin barrier function. Vitamin E oil may help improve fine lines and wrinkles by providing an antioxidant boost that protects from sun damage and encourages the healthy growth of new skin cells. When used both internally and externally, antioxidants are known for their ability to fight off free radicals and further include skin aging, including wrinkles and dark spots. Lastly, several essential oils work well for the skin, but I consider frankincense oil the top choice. Benefits including the ability of strengthen skin and improve stone elasticity, defense mechanism against bacteria or blemishes, and appearance as someone ages. It also may help tone and lift skin. How to make DIY eye cream? To help achieve the best results and to avoid toxins chemical found in most commercial products, consider making a homemade eye cream. This DIY recipe included full of the best ingredients for the delicate skin under the eyes. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons unrefined shea butter, 2 tablespoons unrefined coconut oil, half teaspoon vitamin E, 10 drops of frankincense essential oil. Instructions: put shea butter and coconut oil in a small glass bowl. Then place that bowl in a saucepan that is filled with water. Do not allow any water to get into the bowl. Place pan on a stove top and heat to medium and mix all together. Whisk until completely melted. Remove the glass bowl from the stove and let it cool for 30 minutes. Add the vitamin E oil and essential oil and whisk again. Once mixed, put in a refrigerator for an hour or until solid. Remove from the fridge with a regular mixture or hand mixture. Beat all until they are whipped and fluffy. Fill a glass container with eye cream mixtures and store at room temperature. Apply every morning and night around the eyes after taking a shower or bath, or at least washing your face when your skin is still wet. Enjoy. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.